How to turn on or turn off captions on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTube. If you also want to turn on or off the captions that you see on your TikTok, then let me show you the process of doing it. From your TikTok app, tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right. Once you land on your profile section, tap on the three lines that you see on the top right, and then open up settings and privacy. From the settings and privacy page, under content and display, you'll see accessibility. Tap on it and you'll see the option of captions. If you don't see this option, make sure you update your TikTok app. And it says right here, posts you watch will show captions when available. Now whenever you turn on the captions, the videos which have voices will show captions, but this will differ and not every video will have captions. So you will need to keep that in mind. Even when you turn on the captions option, not every video will show in captions. So if you want captions, you can turn it on. If you don't want, you can turn it off. So that was a quick and easy process of turning on and turning off captions on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more content similar to this, make sure to turn on that notification so you get notified for more upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.